Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Pro. To begin, navigate to the Google AI Studio or integrate the Gemini Pro API into your application. Once accessed, you can start interacting by typing your requests or uploading various data types. Gemini Pro is designed to understand and process complex queries, providing you with detailed and insightful outputs. It's a powerful tool for a wide range of tasks, from simple questions to intricate problem solving. Gemini Pro stands out with its impressive multimodal capabilities, allowing it to understand and process information from various sources simultaneously. Imagine feeding it an image and asking a question about its content, or providing a document for summarization. It can handle text, images, and even audio or video data, making it incredibly versatile. This advanced reasoning helps it generate creative content, summarize lengthy documents, and answer your most challenging questions with remarkable accuracy. The practical applications of Gemini Pro are vast and varied. You can use it to brainstorm new ideas, draft compelling marketing copy, or even write a short story. For students and researchers, it's excellent for summarizing dense academic papers in minutes. Professionals can leverage it for quick language translation or to get clear explanations of technical concepts. It can even help developers by generating code or identifying errors in existing programs, saving valuable time. To get the most out of Gemini Pro, always aim for clear and specific prompts. The more detail you provide, the better the model can understand your intent. Don't hesitate to experiment with its multimodal features. Try combining text with images for richer interactions. Providing examples or additional context can also significantly improve the quality of its responses. Remember, refining your prompts through iteration is key to unlocking its full potential and achieving your desired outcomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.